starting to rain. I probably should have gotten an umbrella. Probably should have brought my jacket. I'll probably pay for it in the end. And we're at Ueno Station. About to jump on the JR line back to the Yamanote, which the Yamanote, if you don't know, takes you around the city. It's like a big kind of circle. It's not really a circle. It kind of weaves, but it goes around the city. It's not the fastest way to go from Ginza to Shibuya, but you can get there. So we're going to take this over to a place called Cafe Ace and check that out next. Ooh, looks like there's some kind of food fair going on. Looks like there's some kind of food fair going on. Miso Wagyu and soup. Edamame. Looks like some kind of fried edamame. I should probably buy that just to try it. Oh look, steak flavored chips. Ooh, squid flavored arare crackers. Oh, this is scallop flavored. Ooh, cherry. Oh, cherry jellies. What is this? Peach? Peach bark? I don't know what that is. Looks interesting. I really should just buy some and try it. Alright, let's go to the... This is where Wolverine was chasing the guys that attacked his Japanese girlfriend. I could be Wolverine. Be like prowling around. Shinkansen, Ueno Station. I think this is the way in. Alright, let's go find out. This is the JR. Ooh, 1,000 yen left. Hopefully I can find... Okay, now. I probably went the wrong way. Yamanote. There it is, green. Here's the thing. So when you're with the JR system, there's all these colors, right? So you can see here, Joban and Takasaki line are orange and blue. Narita is green. No. I don't know what that is. Here, this light one, 2 and 3, the Yamanote line. So we need to take the 3 to go back towards Tokyo, because we're in Ueno. So we'll do that. remember, since everything's on the other side of the street, everything's on the other side of the walkway, so... Oh, that's right, we are north of Akihabara. I keep forgetting, we're pretty far north. But when you're walking around, you want to be on the left side. And if you're standing, you're going to be on the left side. Number three. Number three. More stores. All kinds of stores to buy stuff. Ooh, the banana, the Tokyo bananas there. Ooh. Little cakes. So many beautiful things out here. Three for the Yamanote. Somebody's leaving. I'm probably late for the train. Am I going to be late? Let's see what happens. Oh no, I am late. Darn it. There it is. Where's my train? Wait. Oh well. Just be another like 2 or 3 minutes. The Yamanote Line runs pretty much all day at very, very fast, or they just run at very short intervals. There they go, goodbye. Alright, we're just waiting now. We're waiting now. There's sometimes they have signage that says when the train is arriving. They have it for the Tohoku line, but they don't seem to have it here for the Yamanote line. But it'll be here soon.
Your attention, please. The train bound for Tokyo and Shinagawa will soon arrive on track number 3. For your safety, please stand behind the yellow line.
Alright, we're coming out the west exit here at Kanda Station. I think I have to go this way. Oh, it's starting to rain. Really should have been looking for an umbrella. There's a 7-Eleven this way. Maybe I'll stop by there, get an umbrella, because it's going to come down, and then I'm going to be in trouble. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Like in a lot of cities, they build like little restaurants and eateries under the train tracks. One thing about Tokyo, there's so many places to eat. You can't eat them all. They're like izakaya type places, I think that's what that is. And then like here, you're ordering outside of the machine, and then you take it into it. Oh, Noodle Works. Let's go look at this guy. He's making noodles. Oh. Oh, this is Thai. It's not Thai massage, not 7-Eleven. Oh well. Looks like I'm gonna get wet. All right, let's go this way. This will bring us towards where we need to go. Hopefully I can get a place to, at least hopefully I get to the cafe before the rain really falls. Or at least get to a market where I can get an umbrella. I'm surprised there's no like Family Mart or Lawson or 7-Eleven on this side of the exit of the station. Some drinking and eating going on there for me. All right, where are we going? I think I'm going the wrong way. Oh, here, Family Mart. Excellent. Let's see if they've got umbrellas for sale. Only 65. All right, so I've got an umbrella now. Oh. Got my umbrella, 65 centimeters. I wanted to get the 70, but they only had the 65, but that's all right. It's starting to rain, I better open it up. Oh, it's got a little button release. Oh. See, this is what I like. I like that they have this clear because it just keeps, I think it looks cool. We don't do that in the US, but I love these. Now I've got another thing to take home with me because the one that I have at home that I keep in the truck is kind of getting worn out. Should probably go that way. There's a little Shinto shrine. You'll find these in most neighborhoods where the local merchants and the local residents will stop and give offerings here. So, nice. There's some kind of matcha shop. Let's walk this way and at least have a peek at it. Looks nice. I like the exterior of this place. Kotobuki Seian Chashitsu. Oh, it's a green tea matcha shop. Oh, nice looking shop. I like the color of the exterior. No. We're on the way to Cafe Ace. Now I have notes on why I chose all these, but I made this list before I started this month-long trip, so I don't know exactly why. I have to look at why I wanted to stop at this place. for any kind of particular menu item, but it's in a pretty interesting neighborhood. I've never really been here to Kanda. It's not really raining. I'm probably a crazy person with the umbrella out. Okay, so Ace should be somewhere around here. Oh, is that it? Ace? No idea. I think that's it. Let's close this up. Ooh, they have like a place for me to leave my umbrella. That's kind of cool. So what you do is it's a free service. Just tidy up your umbrella and then put the handle in, push it closed, and then you take the key, right? Take the key out, and you're there.